Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video right now. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload a new video like this. Today, in this video, I want to talk about the spiritual power of onion. 5 different ways you can use onion to pray, to fight your battle. So, onion is a spice we can't take for granted. It always makes food sweet and come out with a nice aroma. So, the spiritual benefit of onion is powerful than the way we look at it, maybe because we always see it or have it at home. Not let us follow the onion. Let me go straight to the point without wasting our time. Number one, this is so simple to do without stress. Just get one onion like this. One onion like this. Now, and put it under your pillow. Don't peel it. Don't even peel it. Slice it or wash it with water or anything. Just use it like this. So, just put it under your pillow and see the miracle. What you will experience is you will dream. God will reveal where trouble or stress originates. You may see your relative in your dream, but never think your relative is behind it because evil people use the relative image to do bad things sometimes. The dream is very important in human life. God uses it to reveal the upcoming event or something that has been done. It makes you know the next step in your life, the exact prayer points you need to pray on. Sometimes we may pray for headache while the leg is the main problem. So dream is very, very important in human life. Even if you don't remember your dream, just use this option and then definitely you will get the result. You will remember your dream. That is it. 2. Here is another way to chase away bad energy with onion. It's so simple to do without consuming your energy. Get 3 onion, either it's a big or small. Just get 3 pieces of onion like this. So cut them into 2. You need to cut them into 2. So, and put them into your bathing water at night when you're ready to sleep. Pray in the water against bad energy, enemy that doesn't want you to prosper, the evil that doesn't let your real partner locate you, the devil that doesn't let favor and blessing locate you. Just make sure you pray very well in the water and keep it in your bedroom. If you are living in where your bedroom is not a private one, just prepare the water and pray in it. Put it behind your bed and sleep. First thing to do in the morning when you wake up, bath with the water, you will surely see change. You are going to do this for good 7 days and don't use those onion 2 times. Make sure you prepare a fresh one each day. That is it. Number 3. Here is another way to use onion as a spell to fight your enemy or any calamity you are facing in life. Get 1 big onion. Should be bigger than this. You can see it. Let it big than this one. So cut it into 2. Get a white and blue pen. Write all the problems you are facing, such as hatred, family background problem, bad luck, moving objects in your body, and so on. Anything, anyhow. If you know and 100% sure of your enemy name, not by suggestion, I think you understand this part. So don't just suggest that maybe Happy Life is behind your problem. No. Make sure that the person is behind your problem and then you confirm it before you write the name. If you don't know any person, don't write any name. Just write all the problem I mentioned or you can add to it. Then once you wrote everything on the white paper, fold it and insert it in the onion you cut into 2. Then then pray and mention all that you wrote on the paper as your prayer point. Keep it under your bed. When you wake up in the morning, throw the onion away, including with the paper, everything, just throw it away. This is so powerful and work like a magic. Oh, here is number 4. Another way of using onion to fight unwanted energy in your body, both spiritual and physical. Get one onion and cut it into 2. Use it to massage. Just like when you cut this onion like this, you don't need to rub it like this. Maybe you don't need to rub it like this. Just use it to massage your body like this. And pray to ask what you want God to remove from your body, especially when you have something moving around your body. Do this and have faith in it. It will surely work. So once you finish the massaging, just throw the onion away. This is number 5, which is the last one. It's not the last one, but let me stop the video here so that we can't have long video that will waste our time. Here is another way to use onion to grant what you want from God. Just get one onion, use it to rub your body like this. Rub all over your body, but make sure that you off your clothes. I think you understand this. So without cutting it, don't cut it, don't wash it, don't just let it be like this. Use it to rub all over your body. Use it to rub all over your body. Pray when you are rubbing your body. That is it. This is how to use this one. Don't throw it away. Just take the onion and go and give it to beggar. I'm very sure you will surprise what will happen in your life in a good way. So don't ever joke with onion when you see it. We all know that when we are cutting onion, we used to cry. That's how God will use onion to fight your enemy by the mighty name of God. Thank you for watching this video once again. If this is the first time you came across this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. May God bless all of us and answer our prayer. Amen.